The Amiga Mini will be released early next year, and it will cost $140 or £120. It will come with 25 games, but you can add more games yourself. It will have a mouse and a gamepad. For the games that require a mouse, you can also use the gamepad. The built-in keyboard does not work, but you can connect your own USB keyboard. They have stated that a full-size Amiga with a working keyboard is something they will consider if the Mini is a success. They also said that you should be able to use different joysticks and controllers. PyStorm 1200 has just started to be developed, and it will be based on the PyCompute Module 4. And as with the current PyStorm, this should give you RTG over HDMI, RAM, SD card storage, Wi-Fi, and multiple CPU emulations, like an O20, O30 or O40. The Neeser is an FPGA replacement chip for the Denise chip, at least for the OCS and ECS Amigas. As you can see from the status of this project, there are some limitations and some things that are not confirmed to work yet. If you have the ZZ9000 graphics card, you can now also pre-order the ZZ9000AX sound module. It will give the Amiga 16-bit audio input and output. You can use equalizer or add effects, and you can choose different output filters with the jumpers. I bought the ZZ9000 card and the sound module, and I can expect to get them in December, and of course I will make a review. You can now buy Quake Remastered for PC or consoles. I bought it on Steam, and it looks and feels fast and smooth. I played co-op with a friend of mine yesterday and discovered you need Windows 10. At least Windows 7 doesn't work. I also tried Deathmatch Online. There I had an issue with like half a second of delay from when I pressed the mouse button until the gun actually fires. When I tried it later, I did not have those issues. You can also play local multiplayer. This game also supports CROSSPLAY support, so you can play against people who are playing on consoles, but you can also turn it off. It comes with the original expansion packs, but also 2 new expansion packs called Dimensions of the Machine and Dimensions of the Past, developed by Machine Games, the same who has developed the modern Wolfenstein games. If you are a fan of Command & Conquer, you might be excited to know there is a new mod out. It's called Tiberian Resurrection 5.0. It has a new campaign, new units, improved game balance, updated Old Westwood maps, and new maps. Dread, the Doom clone, just keeps getting better. It's almost unbelievable that this can be played on a regular Amiga 500. This time it has increased texture resolution, a new sky, and remade monsters. And look here, stairs. So in the future this game will have vertical gameplay like Doom. If you are going to play this game on a faster Amiga, you will never get above 31 FPS, but at least the game will work on every Amiga and it won't run too fast. You will start a Patreon once the demo is ready. 3 GTA games are rumored to get remastered. These are Grand Theft Auto 3, Grand Theft Auto Vice City, and Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. They will use the Unreal Engine and be a mix of new and old graphics. It might be released in 2022. Thank you so much for watching this episode of Retro Computer News, and I'll see you next time.